Okay, I fully understand that learning keyboard shortcuts may seem overwhelming and not worth the time, mostly because there are so many key combinations and oftentimes you don't know where to start. But what if I told you that out of all the hundreds of keyboard shortcuts, there are just a few essential ones that will save your valuable time, make you faster, and increase your productivity? In this video, we'll cover the most important keyboard shortcuts that you can use to become more efficient. Now, real quick, if I can be so bold, I'll wager that you may not know all the ones we'll show you, so make sure you stick around. All right, let's get into it. Instead of clicking on the Start menu to open a program, next time try pressing Ctrl Escape to open the Start menu. Or, alternatively, you can press just the Windows key. Instead of clicking on the app in the taskbar to get to it, you can press Alt-Tab, and that will show you all your open windows. From there, you can keep pressing the Tab key to maneuver to the one you want. When you go to close a program, a lot of people will click on the X to close it, and that's fine. Although, if you press Alt F4, you'll get the same result. The next time you need to open your File Explorer, instead of using your mouse, press Windows E, and that will open it directly. Most people are painfully familiar with copying and pasting, yet most people don't know there is a more efficient way to copy and paste, and that is to use the clipboard. Here's how it works. First, you want to copy multiple items, but don't paste them. Then, after you're done copying everything, press Windows V, and that will open the clipboard. After the clipboard is open, you can click on any item in any order to paste it. Uh-oh, here comes the boss. Quick, press Windows M, and that will minimize everything. Or, as a twist, you can press Windows D to show your desktop. From there, if you press Windows D again, you'll go back to the window you were just working in. If you want to delete something, you can press Ctrl D, and that will send the item to the recycle bin. Speaking of which, here is another way to delete items that you rarely see someone show you, and that is to press Shift Delete. Pressing Shift Delete is known as a hard delete and will permanently delete the item and not place it in the recycle bin. This works great in Outlook as well. For example, you can select a bunch of emails that you don't need, then press Shift Delete, and if you opt to delete them, they are gone. If you've placed a lot of your commonly used apps on your taskbar, most people don't know that you can press the Windows key followed by a number to launch the corresponding app. For example, in my case, the fifth icon on the taskbar is Microsoft Word. So, if I press Windows and the number 5, Word will open. Sometimes you have a lot going on, and you may get off track. So, to keep an overview of everything that you're working on, you can press Windows Tab, and this will open Task View. This Task View will show you all of your currently open windows and a timeline of all your files you've had open in the last day, week, and month. To get out of Task View, you can press Windows Tab again or press your Escape key. If you need to get a screenshot, you can press Windows Shift S, and that'll open up the Snipping Tool. After you press the shortcut, your screen will turn dark, and up at the top, you'll see this toolbar. You can choose between rectangular, freeform, windows, or full screen. You can make the case that rectangular is the most often used, so if you click it, you can then click and drag over a portion of your screen. This will copy the screenshot onto your clipboard, or you'll get a pop-up at the bottom of your screen. If you need to make a quick screen recording, you can use the built-in screen recorder on your Windows game bar. To open the game bar, press Windows G. Now, all these boxes may seem a little overwhelming at first, and the one you want to focus on is labeled Capture. You can close all the other windows that pop up if you want. To record the screen, just click on the Record button. Once you're finished, you can press Windows Alt-R to stop recording. If you ever need help, and let's say Google is broken, if you press your F1 key, it will open Help, and from there, you can just type in the subject that you need help with. Sometimes a program may get stuck, and you don't want to shut down your machine and risk losing everything. And sure, a lot of people may press Ctrl-Alt-Delete and then click on Task Manager, but a faster way to get to the Task Manager is to press Ctrl-Shift-Escape. Let's say you're at work and need to leave your desk for a while. If you press Windows L, that will lock your screen and keep people from snooping around. You see emojis all the time, yet a lot of people don't know how to add them. The way you add emojis is to press Windows period. From there, it's just a matter of picking the character that you want. Oftentimes, you'll have to search for a file on your computer, and a lot of people click in the search field on the taskbar. So instead of clicking in the field, you have two options. You can either press Windows S or Windows Q, and either one will open search. If you need to connect a Bluetooth device, access a network, turn notifications on or off, you can get to those features and many others through the Action Center. To open the Action Center, press Windows A. Instead of clicking around in the Start menu to get to your computer settings, you can press Windows I, and that will open the Settings dialog box directly, and you can work your magic from there. Okay, so we saved the best one for last because it's so rare to see anyone talking about it. A few minutes ago, we talked about using the Snipping Tool to get some screenshots, and that's all well and good. Yet, here's one for you. Let's say you're creating a document and you need to show the dialog box from a particular app in another app. For example, you want to show this Excel dialog box in Word. Instead of doing a screenshot, you can press Alt Print Screen, and that will copy the dialog box directly onto the clipboard. From there, just paste it. Okay, so as we wind things down, let me know your thoughts as to which keyboard shortcuts were new to you and the ones that you found to be most useful in the comments below. Don't be shy about using that share button, and if you found this video to be helpful, we have a few other ones that you can check out as well, and we will see you next time.